Hey everybody, Chris with UpNorth AirGunner. So I'm super excited today. I am testing the FX Hybrid Slugs in 25 caliber. And so far, these things are shooting like absolute laser beams. What I'm loving about these, they are bucking the wind. It is pretty windy out here. I'm actually tucked here in the trees. Hopefully so you're not getting too much wind noise in my microphone here, but yeah, it's a pretty windy day. So yeah, actually I wanted to come out on a windy day like this today, show you guys what makes these so amazing. The massive expansion of these slugs, I think, is what gets us excited, but you know, the way it can buck the wind and open up a lot of different hunting opportunities and a lot of different hunting shots at longer distances when you're shooting in windy conditions like this. I mean, to me, that's the real game changer of these hybrid slugs. So let's take a shot at a 50-yard target and then back it out to 100 yards. Let's check out the setup today. This is the FX Dreamline. I chose to go with the tactical folding stock with the 600 millimeter barrel. Fitting it into a smaller case sometimes is a challenge. Having that folding stock makes it a lot easier to get into a smaller case. So yeah, it's got the new Smooth Twist X Superior slug liner. This is brand new from FX, specially made to shoot these hybrid slugs and pellets. So yeah, on this one I decided to go with the larger carbon fiber bottle just to get more shots. You can either get this with the regular tube or the 480cc bottle, but this is the larger version just for more shots. So we got the Donnie FL Tonto suppressor here. So this is one of his smaller designs. And even in this very small package, you're gonna hear it in the video, but this thing just quiets this gun down immensely. All right, let's shoot a 50-yard group with the slugs, the hybrids. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, that's it. A little windy, but I'll take that. That is pretty darn good. So that's pretty darn good considering we got some pretty windy conditions right here. We'll stretch it out to 100. The wind is kind of gusting through this little knoll right here, right to left, and then also in my face. But yeah, I mean, I will take that. All right, let's shoot a 100-yard group here. The wind is pretty swirly, right to left, in my face a bit. But as a hunter, we don't really get to pick the wind for our days, so these slugs should buck the wind pretty decently. All right, let's see what we can do here. You see my heart beating. I don't have my shooting bag. Just got rested on my head. Got it rested on my hand there. So the wind picked back up. Yeah, there's that wind. That's it. I'll take that. So there it is. I will definitely take that in these windy conditions. So yeah, you know, the first 5 or so shots, I mean, I could have just shown you that group and called it good, but I like running it through a whole magazine, especially when it's windy like this, just so you can see the effects of the wind on hybrid slugs like this. So very little deviation, even with this stiff wind. With pellets, I mean, you're gonna be like over here somewhere, completely missing your target. But man, this is an absolute game changer for small to medium-sized game, long range, 100 yards. That's just awesome. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit fun. There's going to be a lot of other channels out there that's going to show you proper ballistics and terminal ballistics with shooting gel. But as an airgun hunter, meat hunter, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So yeah, in today's episode, we're going to be doing cooking with UpNorth AirGunner. So yeah, like any good chef, you need a sharp knife. This right here is my AirGunner version of a sharp knife. Yeah, we're going to be doing a little bit of a recipe. One of my favorite recipes, actually, pork tenderloin with spicy tomato and lime sauce with a little hint of tequila in there. Oh, so good. So yeah, pork tenderloin is about the same size as a small game animal. Using a pork tenderloin to show the terminal ballistics of these slugs, you're going to be absolutely amazed. I mean, these things are literal meat grenades. When they are hitting this tenderloin, it is absolutely just opening up like a flower. All right, so without further ado, cooking with UpNorth AirGunner. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. A little tomato in the recipe. Booyah. All right, let's do another tomato. Nice. All right, a little lime. Here we go. All right, let's make a little hybrid slug applesauce. Here we go. God, the smack. The smackintosh. All right, let's tenderize some pork tenderloin here. See what we can do. Ooh, nice. There's the entry wounds. So yeah, it's pretty typical for a 25 cal, but this right there is a game changer. As they hit that, it's just opening up absolutely massively. And look at that, that's, you know, the size of a typical game animal. All right, let's see if we can catch one of these expanded. All right, so after I picked through that pork tenderloin, I was able to find 2 expanded slugs. And that is a meat parachute slash meat grenade. That is just wicked. Look at that. Crazy. So there it is, airheads. Hope you enjoyed the Cooking with UpNorth AirGunner segment. Super fun. The terminal ballistics on that pork tenderloin and on those tomatoes and on that lime, just absolutely devastating. I can only imagine on a game animal, you're gonna see very similar results. Meat grenades, absolute meat grenades. So again, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. This is Chris with UpNorth AirGunner. Take care.